Construction of Bort Orgues Dam started in June 1942 and was completed on the 1st of March 1952. Built between two gorges, the dam is 120 meters high and 390 meters in length. A curved gravity hydroelectric dam, the construction techniques used were revolutionary at the time. The dam created what is the fourth largest reservoir in France. The reservoir is 21 kilometers long, with an area of 10.7 kilometers squared, holding almost 500 million cubic meters of water. At 110 meters deep, the reservoir submerged 3 villages. A local chateau, however, was saved when the original planned depth was reduced. The project was met with limited objection, especially with France's desire to refuse dependence on Britain and Germany for coal. Eight meters thick at the top and 80 meters thick at the bottom, it used 660,000 cubic meters of concrete to build. The dam has 3 turbines with a maximum turbine flow rate of 250 cubic meters of water per second to produce enough electricity to power more than 128,000 homes. The spillway, known as a ski jump design, is capable of expelling 1,200 cubic meters of water per second. This spillway has never been used outside of testing. The dam is run by EDF, and its visitor center attracts almost 18,000 visitors per year.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.